Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all fine, ma. Okay. In the previous class, we completed exercise 2.4 is about word problems. Already we completed 5 sums in that. Now I am going to start the 6th one in that. Okay. Let us learn about the 6th sum and children, 6 right. Meena bought two cell phones. She bought two cell phones. She did. They cost her. They cost her. They cost her 5,430. They cost her 5,430 and 3,850. How much did she pay in all? How much did she pay in all? Did she pay in all? Okay, what the question they given for us? The person by name Meena, she bought two cell phones. In that, they give the cost of two cell phones. First one is 5,430 and second one is 3,850. And the question is about how much did she pay in all. In all means totally how much amount she paid. Okay, for the first one, cost of one cell phone. What is the cost of a cell phone, ma? It's nothing but 5,430. And the second one, cost of second cell phone. Children, the cost of second cell phone is 3,850. Now the question is about how much did she pay in all? That means total amount spent. Total amount spent. How much she spent? How much she spent, children? Look at it. 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 8, 12, right 2 here and 1 up, 5 plus 4, 9. So it's nothing but 9,280. 9,280. See the next one, children. Ramu owned two farms. Owned means he bought or he have two farms. Ramu owned two farms. Ramu owned two farms. Ramu owned two farms. Those are coconut farms. From one farm, he got 3,872 coconuts, and the other 4,948 coconuts. How many coconuts did she get in all? How many coconuts? How many coconuts did she pay in all? Okay, see the question, children. What the question was given? Ramu owned, that means he have two farms. What does farms? Coconut farms. From one farm he got 3,872 coconuts, and the other farm he got 4,948 coconuts. The question is about how many coconuts did she pay in all? Did she have in all? How much coconuts did he have in all? How much coconuts he have in all? So first one, number of coconuts from first farm. Number of coconuts from second form. How many? Those are 4,940. Children, what the question they ask? How many coconut did he have in all? So totally how much he will get? Total number of coconuts he have. So what we have to do? We have to do the addition. So 2 plus 8, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Write 2 here and 1 up ma. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So totally 8,820 coconuts he have in all. 8,820 coconuts he have in all. See the next one. 8 one. Mr. Paul's eighth one. Mr. Paul's salary. Mr. Paul's salary is 5,550 per month. Per month means everyone will get the salary for every month. For the completion of month, they will get the salary. So like that only. Next, Mrs. Paul's salary they given. Now Mr. Paul salary. Mr. Paul's salary is 4,260 per month. How much do they have? Do they earn together? How much do they earn together? How much do they earn together? See the question, children. Once again, I will repeat you what the question they given for us. Mrs. Paul, that means a person by name Paul. Those are Miss and Mrs. Paul. Mrs. means M-R-S, Mistress. Paul means woman and Mr. means man. Okay. So Mrs. Paul salary is 5,550 per month and Mr. Paul's salary is 4,260. Those two are wife and husband. So how much did he earn together? Both of them how much earn in a house? Okay. See that. Mrs. Paul's salary per month. How much they have per month? 5,550 rupees. Next, Mr. Paul salary. He have somewhat less than that Mrs. Paul. So per month is it's nothing but 4,260. Now the question is how much do they earn together? That means total amount they earn. Total amount they earn. How much they earn, children? Earning means how much they will get per every month totally. Okay, see that. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 6, 11, write 1 here and 1 up. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 4, 9. So nothing but 9,810 rupees they will earn. Both of them can earn 9,810 rupees. Okay, see the next one. Here they given a poem for us about the wool. In the previous, in your childhood you heard a poem, Baba, Black Sheep, have you any wool? Essa, 3 bags. Have you heard this poem, Nana? Yes, it's in your nursery classes, you learn it. That means from this what we will get the information, sheep will give wool for us. Yes, na? Sheep will give wool for us. So, see the 10th one. If one bag has 1230 kg of wool, another has 1020 kg of wool, and the third has 750 kg of wool. How much wool did the black sheep have? How much wool did the black sheep have? How much wool did the black sheep have? Did the black sheep have? This is the question. Already I told you na 3 bags full. Those 3 bags were filled with some amount of wool. What is that? In the first bag they got 1230 kg. In the second bag 1020 kg. And the third bag 750 kg. So they are asking totally how much they will get. Yes, now see that. So 9th sum, children. Right. Quantity of wool. Quantity of wool. First bag have or has 1230 kg. Next, quantity of wool second bag have nothing but 1020 kg. Third one, quantity of bag, quantity of wool third bag has, it's nothing but 750 kgs. The question is about how much wool did the black sheep have. That means totally how much wool is that it has. So total quantity of wool. Total quantity of wool in 3 bags. Add it, children. Okay, as usually have to measure the unit gauge. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. Again here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So it's nothing but 3000 grams, 3000 kgs of wool that sheep have. Okay, see the last sum in this session. 10th one. In a school, they have some numbers of students. 3 sessions are there, primary, secondary and middle sections. So number of students also given. In a school, there are 1640 students in primary section. In the primary section, next 1001 students in middle section. Next, and 384 students in the, and 384 students in 384 students in the secondary section. The secondary section. What the question? How many students study in the school? How many students study in the school? How many students study in the school? Children, once again I will repeat the question to you. Listen, Amma. In a school, 1640 students in primary section and 1001 students in middle section and 384 students in the secondary section. How many students study in all? That is the question. See. First one, number of students in primary section. Primary section. So those are nothing but 1640. Next, number of students in middle section. Number of students in middle section. 1001. Third one, number of students in the secondary section. Number of students in secondary section. The question is, how many students study in the school? That means total number of students in the school. Total number of students in the school. How many students are studying in the school? 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 4, 12. Write 2 here and 1 up, Nana. 4, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10 again. Write 0 here, 1 up. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So nothing but 3025 students are studying in that school. Okay children, the next session we will continue the next topic according to that addition chapter. Okay, till then goodbye, take care.